Meet the all-new 2025 Isuzu Mu-X, tougher, smarter, and more adventurous than ever. In today's video, we're diving deep into the features, performance, and everything you need to know about Isuzu's latest flagship SUV. Introduction and first impressions. The Mu-X has always been a symbol of reliability and ruggedness, and for 2025, Isuzu takes it up a notch. Just look at that aggressive front fascia, sleeker LED headlights, and those bold alloy wheels. This SUV isn't just about looking good, it's built to conquer. Exterior design updates. Up front, you get the new signature World Cross Flow grille, giving the MU-X a more dominant road presence. The aerodynamic lines are sharper, and at the rear, those new 3D LED tail lamps complete the premium yet tough look. The interior and technology. Step inside and the upgrades continue. You're greeted by a more refined cabin with soft touch materials, with premium leather seats, ambient lighting, and tri-zone climate control. The MU-X makes every journey a first-class experience. A larger 12.3-inch infotainment display, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and Isuzu's latest IntelliDrive suite of safety tech, performance and capability. Now let's talk power. Under the hood, the 2025 Mu-X packs a 3.0-liter BluePower turbo diesel engine, produced 190 horsepower and 450 Nm of torque. Mated to a retuned 6-speed automatic transmission, it's built for both highway cruising and serious off-road adventures. Safety and features. Safety is a priority too, with advanced features like adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, autonomous emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera. The Mu-X keeps you and your family protected wherever you roam. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more car reviews. See you in the next video.